Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset on your PHILIPS Fidelio L4. So firstly, make sure that your headphones is turned on, and after that press and hold at the same time power button and noise control button. Right here, it's located. So press and hold until your headphones is turned off. Here we go. Now release your finger and it should enter to prank mode automatically, and we can see it by this LED light. Now we should remove it, so click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, forget the device, forget device. Also if you have Android, click pair new device, and now we should see it at the device list. Click on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video, it's really important to us. See you later!